Hey guys, Sabellan here, and today we are unboxing my brand new Corsair Gaming K70 mechanical keyboard. It's not the RGB one. This one has Cherry MX red switches with red LEDs. Over here it says Cherry MX switch technology, then the Cherry brand, the per key backlighting, the Cherry MX red, and down here it says K70 mechanical keyboard. I'm not really sure. I ripped the box. I'm so sad about that. I ripped the box trying to open it to set it up and shit. Over here it just tells you information, Corsair Gaming. Some people don't like this new Corsair gaming logo. I do. The Corsair Gaming again, K70 mechanical keyboard, English or keyboard layout English QWERTY, not the Dvorak. And then here's some more info. Language, per key backlight, and the Cherry thing again on the back. A huge ass Best Buy sticker, because that's where I bought it, Best Buy US. Corsair normal one, and just all this info about it. The keyboard, and that shit. And then the same thing as the other side. On the bottom, some more information. This is going to be an interesting unboxing because it's so bloody big. Okay, so this is hard one-handed. Be ready, jump cut. And we're back. So inside the Corsair box there's a brown cardboard box. I've already opened this, as I said, because this is my first mechanical keyboard. So I had no idea what I was buying. So I bought the Cherry MX red because that's what a lot of people buy, and I'm quite happy with them. So this is the keyboard. Oh yeah, shit. This was a pain in the ass. Where this is gonna be. So pull that out. Let's put that off to the side. Then here we have, in a Ziploc bag, because I opened it already to take a look, the Corsair, or like secondary, the keycaps, and then a keycap puller somewhere in here. Alright, yeah, right there. There's a keycap puller and an S key looked like. Okay, then get this behemoth cable out. So this is this is the braided USB cable. It's a thick fucker. So there's two USB ports. This one has a keyboard, and this one has the USB pass-through. You only need to plug in this one if you have a USB 3.0. So the rest that's in the box is palm rest, and some warranty. Let's put the palm rest back in there. Good enough. Put the key switches back, or the key caps back in. And let's put this off to the side and take a look at the keyboard. And we're back. I set up the key, or I got my laptop and plugged the computer in, and plugged it into the computer. So this is what it looks like when it's backlit. There's three modes of the backlighting, or backlighting. There's off, low, medium, high, and then there's this one. This one right up here. This turns off all the other backlighting but WSAD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the arrow keys. Turn that back on. Then there's a Windows lock button. So if I press the Windows key, my computer still shows Windows, or the Google Chrome. Then when I turn this key off, it shows start menu. Then we have our media keys. Let me just open my music player. Wait, no, well, they're media keys. Volume, so you turn it, and you can see over here my volumes went up and down. Then I can mute it, and yeah. So this was my unboxing and first look at the Corsair K70 gaming mechanical gaming keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. That really supports the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.